Nature Sense. Bud extracts and mother tinctures in organic quality. In the warm glow of summer, the trees awaken to their full splendor. Juicy fruits and bright flowers adorn the land, a celebration of color and life. But as every summer yields to autumn, so does life change its colors. The leaves fall. Nature prepares for the calm and stillness of winter. Winter is coming, and with it the silence. A frosty cloak of snow and ice covers the world. You could almost believe that life dies out under these challenging circumstances. But the exact opposite is true. Life finds its way, unstoppably. Every single bud, every shrub and every tree becomes even more powerful and resilient than the year before. Under the cold blanket rests the power of life, waiting for the call of spring. At this time of year, you can experience the refreshing energy of bursting buds. New life forms from it with unbridled strength and highest nutrient concentration. The buds and plant parts are the basis of our bud extracts and mother tinctures. Nature Sense. Selected bud-macerates compiled according to themes. With love for detail and processing by hand, the fresh buds and plant parts are harvested and processed. We love our work in harmony with nature. What could be more beautiful than providing people with what the earth holds in store for us? Through proven procedures and gentle manufacturing techniques, we create herbal mother tinctures of the highest quality and effectiveness. Already during the preparation, the water and alcohol mixtures are energized and activated with the proven UMH technology. The reorganized and natural structures improve the effects on body, mind, and soul. We transform natural raw materials in unique organic quality to offer the best of nature for your well-being. It is time to trust nature again and to take our destiny into our own hands, beyond mass productions. Nature Sense. Bud extracts and mother tinctures, harvested by hand in organic quality and energized.